The reason I'm at this cockeyed angle is that we are at the spot on the Needles Highway, just maybe a mile in, where it goes to a one-lane stone tunnel, and a charter bus is trying to get through here. And I just had to get video of this, because I can't imagine this thing is going to make it through here. And even if he gets through, this route is so windy that, and I was commenting on the way up here, that I can't imagine a charter bus coming through because it's too long to go around these hairpin turns, or near hairpin. But he's obviously making it, but I wouldn't want to try it. People apparently there. Boy, that's an up close and personal look at the people are cheering because he made it through there. I can't believe he made it. If someone would have told me, I would have told them they were full of it.